Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another tech tip. Today we're discussing dynamic PDFs and in particular the ability to create a PDF when someone submits one of your Zoho Forms. Okay, so in my example here I've got a Zoho form that we've created. Now if I go to the settings here, so I'll go into Zoho Forms and then I'll go to the settings of this particular form. Okay, one of the options I have down here on the left, halfway down, is PDF settings. So what this does is I can actually turn this on and then I get some options about how I can create a PDF every time someone submits that particular form. So all I need to do is click here, click yes to allow it to generate, and then I click on the customize button. And I have some options here. So this is giving me a preview of what my PDF will look like. So the first thing I can do is set a naming convention. So I've got the name of the form here, and then I've used merge tags for first and last name. Okay, so when someone enters this, submits this form, it will use those merge tags, and you'll see here if we click this little plus icon here, that we can use any of the other fields as well as other merge tags there in our name. Okay, we've got the size, the orientation here, so that's of the document itself. And then if we click on this form tab, we get some more options. So we can turn off the header area or the background image. Okay, so if you've got a long form that's multiple pages, you may not want the header to appear on every page, so you can turn that off. And then some more options about including empty fields. Okay, so it's quite simple, it's easy to set up, and you might find that quite useful to put into your process. So what you can do with that, once you've set this up and turned on this PDF generation, you can also then include that in an email notification. So you could email that back to the person that submitted the form, or you could email it to yourself, a copy of the PDF, or if you're using any of the integrations. So for example, if you're integrating with Zoho CRM, you could send that PDF as an attachment into Zoho CRM and link it to that person's contact record. Okay, so there's lots of options and there's lots you can do with it, and hopefully you can find some way to use that in your process, and that might save you some data entry. Thanks for your time.